Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Microsoft Management Console MMC exe has stopped working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a system restore process. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a go to restore point. Click on next, finish, and then finally on yes. The next solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.